Hi Fitness 19 family, my name is Adam Osborne and I'm standing outside our beautiful Paris, California location. Listen, I know you are all eager to get back in the gym, and believe me, we cannot wait to reopen these doors and get back to doing what we love to do. Speaking on behalf of our entire Fitness 19 team, we know how impactful fitness can be on all our lives. We all need these doors to open. And when they do, we want every member to walk through feeling safe, feeling encouraged, and most importantly, feeling normal. So why am I standing outside the gym today? Well, we're committed well beyond having our clubs cleaned on a regular basis, or well beyond having our janitorial crew come in at night and get the gym ready for the next day, and well beyond having our staff continuously disinfecting equipment while you're in here working out. We've hired a service that's going to be visiting every location before we reopen, and will continue to service the clubs even after we reopen. They're adding a protective layer on all of our equipment and facility touch points. This system will continuously fight against bacteria for 90 days. So we want to go inside and show you how this system is applied and how the testing works and how it takes place. Listen, we care so much about your safety and we care about your fitness and your goals. Remember, this is a gym built for you, and we cannot wait to open these doors and have you come back and do you. Please continue to follow us at Fitness 19 Gyms for future updates on reopening and our reopening plan. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Eric Brightstone with StoneWright Biotech Services. I'm the president.
Good afternoon, I'm Jeff Milano, I'm the Executive Vice President of StoneWright Biotech.
What we're here to do is actually give everyone a little peace of mind. We're working together with Fitness 19, who is going above and beyond. We're going to educate you a little bit on the step and processes that we do to assure you we're taking the right steps. We're also partnered with a manufacturer, so if we have to reconfigure, reformulate, we don't fall in love with molecules or solution. We're here to keep it clean. That's who we are.
So optimistic, now I don't wanna know what I'd do without you. 'Cause every time that we talk, you make me feel so optimistic.
As an infectious disease control company, we're here at one of the machines that has already been sprayed. Eric will be using a medical grade testing device to check for germ count.
So optimistic.
Turn the device on.
Seven.
7 and a passing grade of under 100 units.